starting this video with a giant 7 in the sky. It might be significant for some of you. God is here. Hey. This karmics has been wasting enough of your time and energy. Thank you so much, all of you, for being here, for your love, for your kindness, for your support, for your testimony. Thank you for this beautiful community to exist. Thank you for your trust to share your own experiences. And apparently it's collective, this ends cycle with the karmics, as this week is extremely significant. We are living the year of the snake, shielding all the layers, coming back to true, authentic self. It has been very difficult. 2025 has been extremely difficult. The year of the snake has been extremely difficult. As for the real one, the chosen, the work has been done very seriously. You've been very obedient. And now it seems that you're ready for the next stage. That's why it is final boss. I'm hearing your own demons, your own trigger, the last layer before the fire horse is dissolving or about to be dissolved. And this is the ties, the cord, the attachment you had accumulated through time and space with this specific karmic. It has been difficult for the past few days as their energy is coming back for you to release them fully. Cut the necessary last cords, debris, removing out of your system their imprint. I'm hearing because you've been dealing with the same soul for way too long. Like you. Helping you processing, helping the debris coming to the surface, helping you identifying the pattern. I'm hearing for those of you that are new, we're here to heal profoundly, deeply the traumas from any source, karmics, but not only any shape or form that has traumatized your entire system. We are here to transmute this energy and help you take your power back, because nothing or no one has the right, the power to touch or dim your light without your consent or permission. We are here to identify the toxic patterns that are keeping you stuck for evolving or just fulfilling your mission. Because when they're still attached to you, to your sacral chakra, they're still vacuuming, they're still siphoning, they're still absorbing, they're still vampirizing your light. As you're a divine being of the highest light, you are archangel. And I stand against. This is my mission. I am here to empower you. I am here to help you awake, remember who you truly are. Okay. Through divine chant, I awake your dormant DNA or simply activate your genes, the dormant one, for your own remembrance, awakening your gifts, talents, and abilities, for you to align with your soul. You came here to fulfill a mission, a destiny. I'm hearing that you have new wings coming up. Hey! You're evolving, you're ascending. Everything that is going on right now, you are like, what the F is going on? It is you ascending. Of course, when we remove something, any cords, any attachment, any souvenir, any trapped memory, any trapped emotion, we are making space, making room for the new to come, for the soul fragment to come back. Because our goal is you to be complete, you to be loved. Then you're becoming untouchable when your traumas are transmuted. There is a decision that has to be made. When your traumas are not part of your life anymore, there is no door for darkness to come. You're not triggered by anything anymore, so you stay calm. Your peace is grounded. You're not reacting to the negativity anymore. Therefore, you're aligning with peace. And when you align with peace, you're becoming a magnet for greatness. You're just attracting what you are. And abundance is a calm energy, soft energy, very stable and grounded energy. This is how you F the D word, not reacting. Hey. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I have beautiful codes, masterclass, downloads, activation for you, especially if you're a light worker, helping you activate your soul mission, getting rid of the last debris you might have. We want you to be aligned. It's coming back, charity and sun energy, exaltation and inheritance. I cannot make this up. This is yours. It's time to take it. I love you. Until next time, namaste.